With exchanges banning countries all around the world, it's only a matter of time before your favorite exchange bans your country. Fortunately, with decentralized applications like PancakeSwap, you can trade one currency for another without permissions, without KYC, and without even any signups. So, it's worth learning about the world of DeFi because it's only a matter of time before you will need it. So in this video, you'll learn about PancakeSwap, how to swap one currency for another, apply liquidity, the risks involved, and a little bit of the theory behind the liquidity pools and impermeable loss. If that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. What is PancakeSwap? PancakeSwap is one of the most successful applications on the BNB chain, and all it is a series of smart contracts that allow you to swap one token for another, as well as supply liquidity to a liquidity pool and earn trading fees in the process. A liquidity pool basically consists of two assets, and there's a whole bunch of liquidity pools within PancakeSwap, and each one is a trading pair. So for example, BNB and BUSD could be one liquidity pool. And the ratio of those two assets in the pool dictate the price. So for example, for the BNB BUSD liquidity pool, if there's 3,000 BUSD and 100 BNB, then the ratio of BUSD to BNB is 300 to 1. If you sell one BNB to that liquidity pool, then it will automatically send you back 300 BUSD as per the ratio. To swap one currency for another with PancakeSwap is incredibly easy. All you do is go to pancakeswap.finance, connect your wallet. If you haven't already installed MetaMask on your computer, make sure to watch this video, which I'll link to in the top corner. Go to trade and then swap. Click whatever currency that you want to buy. Click swap. And then we'll see this bounce go up a little bit. And there we go. The transaction is fully completed. You are also able to supply liquidity to the liquidity pools, and the amount you supply is based on the ratio. If you wanted to supply 1 BNB, it would require you to also supply 300 BUSD at the same time in order to not affect the ratio and therefore the price between the assets. Once you supply liquidity, you'll get back LP tokens, which are liquidity provider tokens, and they will actually go up in value as that liquidity pool gets trading fees from other users swapping cryptocurrencies. To do this is also very easy. Just go to liquidity, add liquidity, and then here it will automatically fill in the amount of BUSD you must supply relative to BNB according to the ratio between the two in the existing pool right now. So to do that, you have to enable PancakeSwap to withdraw the BUSD tokens from your MetaMask account. So that's this step right here. You don't have to do that with BNB because it's the native token on the BNB chain, so it requires no such approval. Click supply, confirm supply. Also a bit of a gas fee. And you could see that the swap went through, the approved BUSD, and now it's just adding liquidity. And it went through. Of course, there's risks involved with trading. Everybody knows that. But there are also risks involved with supplying liquidity. Two main risks that you'll face are, one, the value of the assets you supply go down in value, just like if you were to buy and hold them. But two is impermeable loss, which could actually make the results worse than if you were to just buy and hold them. Impermeable loss is the temporary loss you incur when there's high volatility between the assets in the trading pair. So for example, in that BNB BUSD pair, if BNB drops a lot or just goes to the moon, then liquidity providers will actually experience a loss. If you look at the chart I found from academy.binance, you'll see that if there is a 100% difference between the ratio of the two assets, so for example, if BNB doubled, then there would be about a 5.7% loss to liquidity providers in that pool. The impermeable loss could be compensated from the trading fees that pool incurs, and there's a high chance that as one token in that pool goes up, so if BNB doubles, then there'd be increased trading frequency and therefore increased fees, which should or could compensate for the impermeable loss. I hope you found this video useful, as now you know why PancakeSwap and applications like it, such as Uniswap, are becoming more and more important as countries start cracking down on different crypto exchanges. And you also know how to swap one currency for another, provide liquidity, some of the risks behind that liquidity, and a little bit about the liquidity pools themselves. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.